Hello everyone, myself Pranali Dadure. Today we will discuss about ribosome. We study the ribosome, its structure and function. First of all, ribosome discovered by George Palade in 1953. What are ribosomes? It is the smaller cell organelles. Cells have a tiny granular structure known as the ribosomes. Ribosomes are ribonucleoprotein particles. They are composed of rRNA and proteins. That is, that they assemble rRNA and proteins. Ribosomes are synthesized in a nucleolus of nucleus. Nucleolus is which site we make the ribosomes. Second is the structure of ribosomes. In the case of structure of ribosome consisting two subunits, that is the larger subunit and smaller subunit. Both of the two subunits contain both proteins and ribonucleic acids components. During protein synthesis, ribosome form a chain on a common messenger RNA and to form polyribosomes and polymers. In the case of protein synthesis, several ribosomes are attached in a single mRNA to form a protein. It's known as polymers. It is located in two areas of cytoplasm. Ribosomes are two types. There is the 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome. 70S ribosome consisting in a prokaryotic ribosome and 80S ribosome consisting eukaryotic ribosome. S stands for sedimentation coefficient and it is also called as Svedberg's unit. There is the two types of ribosome, 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome. In the case of 70S ribosome, 60% RNA and 40% protein consist. There is also divided into the two subunits. 30S is a smaller subunit and 50S is a larger subunit. In the case of 80S ribosome consisting of 40% RNA and 60% protein divided into the two subunits, that is the 40th smaller subunit and 60th is a larger subunit. In the case of prokaryotic ribosomes, prokaryotics have 70S ribosome each consisting of smaller 30S subunits and larger 50S subunits. A larger subunit consisting of 5S RNA and 23S RNA and the smaller subunit consisting 60S RNA mentioned in this table. In the case of eukaryotic ribosome consists of 80S ribosome located in their crystal, each consisting of a small 40S and larger 60S subunit. Their 40S subunit has 18S RNA and the larger subunit consisting 5S RNA, 5.8S RNA and 28S RNA. Eukaryotic ribosomes are present in a mitochondria, that is called as the mitoribosomes, and in the plasticytes such as the chloroplast is called as a plastidoribosome. Next is what is the structure of ribosome. Ribosomes has an mRNA binding site. There is the three tRNA binding site, that is the A binding site, P binding site and the E binding site. A consisting the amino acid tRNA, P is the peptide tRNA and E is the exit site. Their three sites are associated with the translation. A site, that is the amino acid site. The sites